What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Project SRT. And today I'm over here at Quick Rev. It's a performance shop that's local, and I've been experiencing some weird issues with my active exhaust valve. It's making like a weird rattle, and I decided to buy the MFER-1 kit. So stay tuned for this video. Are you hearing that sound? Are you hearing that sound? Like from the passenger side, it's like a rattle. Alright, so right now I'm not gonna really be in his way, so it's not like a how-to video or anything. Got that up there. A few things out here. CTSV. We got something under that car cover over there, but out real early. Guys, so I'm gonna let him do his work. This angle seemed kind of sketch, so I really don't want to get too close. But what's going on is there is a rattle coming from the passenger side. It's throwing a check engine light, and the code is reading P121B, which is the passenger exhaust, active exhaust system. I went ahead and got the MFER-1 kit, and pretty much it'll keep it open at all times, no matter the driving mode I'm in. So while he handles this, I'm gonna cut the camera off. When everything is installed, like I said, it's not gonna be an install video due to lack of space and everything. But once everything is in, I'll give you guys a startup and what it sounds like on eco mode and track mode, which it shouldn't really sound too different. So just stay tuned. All right. Looks like he is done with it. It actually look good though. Like that color. Moment of truth. Brakes are. Huh?
What you check engine light on for?
For that, it was throwing the P121B code for that.
Clear it for you real quick. See if it's good.
Okay.
Definitely sounds more raspy.
Yep. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna give y'all an in-car sound review, I guess. So stay tuned. We are all done. Sound way better now. I was getting like a weird rattle, and that is gone. So right now, driver mode that I have it in is eco, and I'm gonna just give you guys a sound. is still completely open. No more rattle or any of that. Excuse the seatbelt sound. But this is still in eco mode. So technically the valves will be closed, and they are not. So yeah, it sound just like it would if I put it in track mode. Only thing different about track mode is, of course, it's a lot more snappy, and originally it keeps the valves open all the time, but I'm getting more pops out of it, and it sounds nice. But yeah, guys, that's gonna conclude this quick little video. Everything seems to be working right. With the MFER-1 kit, it comes with everything you need for the install. So it comes with all the bolts and everything. You will not reuse the same factory nuts and screws and everything. You will not reuse those. They got everything provided already. All it is just literally plug and play. So I recommend getting that if you are having any issues, or if you just simply want to have your exhaust valves open all the time. So that's all, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share. Peace.